So this is how we look now. Today we have to I got this. This is duet 3D with Wi-Fi. So this is the board that I use. This is the plate. This plate I installed here. Board. This is the power supplier. I got power suppliers like everything is 12 volts and 50 amps. So I think it will be enough to power all this 3D printer. This is the duet 3D. Yeah, so this is what I got. Let us get it in unboxing. Duet 3. You have this things connector. Now the connector, so the USB to load new program, and this is things you have to install. So yeah, I don't want to take it all down. So we will fix it somewhere here, and the iron like this. So yeah, somewhere here, and this go and fix it somewhere here. Go in there, things here, and the USB cable. USB cable should be all things there. Somewhere here to control. Yeah, this is all what I got. So now the thing that I'm going to do, I will keep printing these parts so I will fix everything properly. So this plate is also, I got this plate, the plate that I have, this plate is got, so I will fix that with some screws here. Here I will put the glass. In the next video I will install all the drivers and leads, and also the bed with the glass. Yeah, then we will make some wiring, and I think after that we will be able to print. So yeah, nice. Yeah, so this is what I wanted to show today. Good.